Got some of it done. Took the grill off so I can get at the headlights. These headlights were zip tied. See? So, I'm gonna take these out. They can do headlights and stuff in it so I can see at night because I have nothing. And look at this. I'm gonna tidy up things. Do a little bit of cosmetic stuff. Taking out this fender and installing it with the other one I have without the dents in it. Took out the bolts. Just need to do this side down here by the fender. I'm going to try to tack on my lower valance trim as well on the edges so it doesn't look kind of funky. I'm going to see if I can hammer this out and make it look a little bit nicer for what it is. But stopped working the other day because I thought my maintenance was lacked on. I had symptoms of an IDM issue, but it turns out my dumbass ran out of fuel, oil. So I'm gonna add oil to it. Or redo the fuel filters and the oil filters anyway. And we're gonna change the oil in it eventually. It has fresh oil in it because after so long I add more in it due to the oil leak at the pan a little bit. But she's coming along. We're gonna be getting new tow mirrors soon and hooking them up. So stay tuned. What's going on, guys? We got the fender on. So having trouble lining up with the bottom one down there to push it in. I think it's because of this, but I'm not worried about it. It's on, so I'm gonna leave it on and fix it when I can. And then what we're gonna do next is replace these door latches right here. Let's see, I can open it. This one only from that side. And yeah, just gonna have to run a little bit. So looks a lot better than this one. That was what was on it before. Gotta take the badge off, put it back on it. So they should just clip right in. Kinda pry it out with a screwdriver. Hope to not break any clips and just push it in. But to take this off, you have to take this off, which is right here. And then there's a bolt here you have to take off, but I didn't put that back in. Some other stuff. There's two bolts right in between here where the headlights are. And then there's one bolt here. And two bolts inside here. I'll show you. Right there. A bolt there. And a bolt down there somewhere. I forgot. But, yeah. We just did fuel filters for this thing and a oil filter. And it started rough because I ran out of oil. And there we go. So now we gotta hope I didn't damage anything and blah blah blah. But this is the grill for it. There's nothing actually tacking onto the bottom of it. There's no clips or anything like that. It just bolts onto here. So, but we're gonna order a new OEM one eventually. But yeah, that's the progress so far. I'll get a video later tonight again when I get it fully put together with the grill on and headlights back on and stuff. So we are gonna get new tow mirrors soon too. They're like $200. So
Oh, you want me to record it?